Alright guys, so let's get into it. So I'm going to start by applying a stocking cap. Now I'm not doing the stocking cap method or the ball stocking cap method just because it requires way too much time and I don't like all that stuff on my hairline. So anyways, this is the wig hairline. Now this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. However, I did go just a little bit behind the hairline just to tweeze the hairline just a little bit, not a whole lot. I did have to go in and bleach the knots on this wig. Now this lace is a Swiss lace wig with a 13x4 frontal. So you guys know the drill. Let me go ahead and cut the lace off and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have the lace cut off, I am going to use some bow hold and apply that directly on my sideburns. And I'm doing this because the wig is a little too big. I don't feel like sewing an elastic band on, and because of the way that I'm going to wear this hair, I don't want my sides to come up. So I'm just going to place the glue right in front of my hairline, and then I'm going to smooth it out. This stuff will definitely take out your hair, guys, so be careful when using this. Now this Brazilian water wave lace frontal wig comes with a density of 130%, and that density is definitely in the hair. As you can see, this wig is very full without doing really anything to it. So I definitely like that the density is not in the hairline. So I am going to zoom in on the hairline so you guys can see the parting space on this wig. Again, keep in mind this wig comes with a 13x4 lace, so meaning you get 13 inches of lace from ear to ear and then 4 inches of parting space. I hope I said that right. Yeah, 13 inches from ear to ear and 4 inches of lace. Okay, yeah. So anyways, once I got my hairline the way I want it, I'm going to go in with an extremely hot comb and press out the hair, and then I'm also going to apply just a little bit of baby hairs, not a whole lot, but I am going to lay these baby hairs, okay? So I'm going to do that, then I'll be back. Oh, so let me say this about like baby hairs in the hairline. So basically the shorter you cut the baby hairs, the more natural baby hair look you're going to get. And definitely don't take a whole bunch of hair out of the hairline if you're going for a natural hairline look with your baby hairs. Now I do prefer to use wrapping mousse to lay my baby hairs. I used to like to use gel, but then I found out that it leaves the hair like with this white residue, really crunchy and just hard to fix the next day if you needed to touch up your baby hair. So I definitely prefer to use the hair mousse, and it definitely helps with like the glueless method as well. So anyways, I'm just taking the edge brush and I'm just trying to brush in the baby hairs. Now this definitely takes practice. Like it may take me 15 minutes just to do baby hairs, just because I'm real anal like that when it comes to my baby hairs. I like for them to be perfect, even though I know, you know, it's really not supposed to be perfect if it's a hairline, but girl, we working with a wig, okay? So we can make it look perfect. So that's what I'm doing here. I've redid this probably 20 times before I got the actual look that I wanted. Okay, so now that everything is laid and flat, I am going to wrap my hairline. This is very important when you are styling your baby hairs. So I'm going in with some styling strips that I got from my local beauty supply store. I love this, especially when I'm using like my hair mousse. Just gives the baby hairs a lot more natural look once you tie the hair down and let the baby hairs dry. So while I'm letting the baby hairs dry, I am going to go in with some curling hair products to style the hair. So of course I'm going to use water to dampen the hair. And now we're not working with a whole bunch of hair or super thick hair, so I really don't have to use a whole lot of water, but I am going to use a lot of this Garnier Fructis Buttercream curling product just because I love it. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair. So once I've saturated my hair very well with the buttercream, I'm going to go in with my Demon brush from my local beauty supply store. No, this came from Sally's. Why am I lying? It came from Sally's. But anyways, I love this brush for my curly wigs. Doesn't do too good on my natural hair because it pulls my hair, but the curly wigs is amazing. So anyways, I'm going in with the Lotta Body foaming wrap. You guys know I love this stuff for my curly hair. Gives the hair a lot of definition when it comes to the curls. You won't have to worry about any type of frizziness going on. Just a really good product for curly hair. And as you can see, I definitely went overboard with all of my products, but that's okay. I'm going to use a towel to scrunch the hair once I have all of the curls and each strand defined. Okay, so let me say this. For this to be a water wave wig, I am really here for these curls on this wig because y'all know water wave is so not my favorite texture because it's so see-through like. But yeah, this is a nice curl pattern. So I'm going to let everything dry and I'll be back. Alright, so 3 hours later, this is what my hair and my hairline is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and unravel everything and hope, oh yes, okay. Hope that everything stayed in place, and baby doll, it did. So I am going to take my fingers and just fluff up the hair, give it a little bit more volume, shake up those curls, loosen that stiffness from the hair mousse, and just give life. This wig is so pretty. Like, I'm feeling short curly wigs right now. Like, they give such a natural vibe. It's crazy. Like, look at that hairline. That is nice, girl. You did that. Yes, you did. So I'm going to finish off this look by adding some concealer that I got from my local beauty supply store. You know, something cheap. I think it was like $2.99, girl. Nothing expensive. And I'm going to go in and apply that directly on the hairline. I did apply a little bit too much, but you know, it's makeup, so it can be removed. But I just took my finger and kind of spread out the product a little bit. Now, because I want my hair to kind of be pushed back a little bit, I'm taking my hot comb to push the hair back. But what I should have did was applied the mousse further back on the hairline so that it kind of sat behind my ear, if that makes sense. So anyways, this is the bomb look to DorHair. Hope you guys enjoyed this look because this is a very nice everyday natural wig. All purchasing information will be below. Bye guys.